Assalamu alaikum. Today we are making Karela Gosht. This is very easy recipe. Let's start. You will need 3 tablespoons of mustard oil, half kg thin sliced Karela, and now shallow fry them for 10 minutes. Add turmeric powder half tablespoon. It is ready. Now take them out in a bowl. And done. Now let's move on to the next step. Now again add 3 tablespoons of mustard oil and add 1 tablespoon of jeera. And now add 2 medium-sized onion. Make them golden brown. Now add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute well. Now add 2 medium-sized of tomatoes. Add half tablespoon of turmeric powder. And now also add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. And after that we are going to add salt according to the taste. Now add 1.5 tablespoon of coriander powder. And it will turn out something like that. Add half kg of boiled meat. And now add fried Karela. Now cover it up for 10 minutes. Now for garnishing, add coriander leaves. And so now our recipe is done. Let's serve. Our yummy recipe is ready. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe, like, and share for more. Thanks for watching.